If your Samsung Galaxy keeps restarting, try these before you do a factory reset and erase everything on your phone. First, we're going to do a forced restart. So to do a forced restart, we're going to hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Now imagine this phone is constantly restarting. It's obviously working right now, but I'm just trying to show you guys the steps. So first, hold the volume down and the power button at the same time. And it's going to take a little bit of time. Last time it took a minute. Okay, so hold down 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do a forced restart. Hopefully this will solve the issue. But don't worry, if it doesn't, I'll take you through some other steps. So like I said, just keep holding it down. It takes longer than most people think. And we're holding. Keep holding down. Keep holding down. Keep holding down. Like I said, this takes longer than most people think. I'm going to keep holding down. Don't let go. This is a point where you want to let go, but don't let go. Just keep holding it down. You have to have faith. And you'll see the Samsung logo pop up. Then you can let go. Okay, so after this forced restart, hopefully your phone will no longer be restarting over and over. And if you're still watching, then that means that there's still not working. If you can, if it's giving you enough time to get on this screen, then what I want you to do is get into safe mode. And then so safe mode, we're going to go ahead and press the power button and we're going to hold this down. Now this is going to take you into safe mode. And it's going to restart. You'll see safe mode on the bottom left. So then it will restart. Now, if this phone works in safe mode, then most likely a downloaded app is what's causing the problem. If it can't stay booted long enough for safe mode, then we're going to go into the next step. So okay, if you get into safe mode and your phone starts working, if it starts working normally, just go ahead and do all the things that you normally do. Whether you're messaging, using YouTube, Gmail, or whatever. If it's working, then that means it might be an app, and that's when you have to go through your apps, most recently download it and or try erasing it. Okay, so now if it doesn't work, then what I'm going to do is take you guys to recovery mode. So to get to recovery mode, so the next step is getting into recovery mode. Now if you're having issues where it's restarting and you can't turn off the phone this way by pressing on the off and off, then what we're going to have to do is a forced restart, but in the middle switch it to recovery mode. So I'm going to show you guys right now. Basically we're going to hold down the side button right here with the volume down. As soon as the Samsung logo or the phone turns black, then we're going to release, hold down, keep holding down the middle button right here, but then we're going to press switch from the volume down to the volume up. So let me demonstrate now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, we're going to go, holding it down, go into forced restart mode, or just a forced restart. And as soon as it turns off, now I'm going to let go and hold the volume up. And the screen, by tapping on the screen, I can tell that it's off. I'm holding it down, and this also takes a little bit of time, so be patient and don't give up. Just keep holding it down. Keep holding it down. Sometimes it takes up to like a minute, and we're just going to keep holding it. I'm going to leave this in the video so you guys can see how long it actually takes, because if I cut it, then you may think that it should be a shorter amount of time and you may give up on holding down these two buttons. But once we see the Samsung logo pop back up, it should then go into recovery mode. If it doesn't work, it's because I didn't hold the buttons right or switch from volume down to volume up at the right time. So we're going to just keep holding. Okay, so now I should be able to let go and it will go into recovery mode. Give it a little bit of time. Okay, so now we are in recovery mode. To use recovery mode, we're going to use the volume down and up button. So what I'm going to have you do now is go to the cache and make sure you don't go to factory reset yet, because that will erase everything on your phone. So we're actually going to want to go to this one, and it's a wipe cache partition. We're going to go ahead and press that, and then it should be in recovery mode again. What you could try first is actually just reboot system now. So go ahead and press reboot system now, and hopefully your problem will be solved. So I pressed reboot, and now it turned off. Turn back on. So give it a little bit of time. I'm not going to cut the video just so you guys can follow along. Okay, so hopefully now your phone has no issues and it's no longer restarting over and over. I'll just add that recovery mode gives you troubleshooting options outside normal Android. And with that said, hopefully it worked. If it did, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.